The most dramatic nail trimming. Watch this emotional Labrador. So cute moment.
Liked human, liked puppy.
Wow.
The Best Actor award goes to
Bang!
Vaccination to My Dramatic Husky.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Bark at your dog.
Hey boy, what's up?
Quincy, we are going on a road trip! Woo! Yes!
Smile.
Say.
Cheese!
Found a stick and ready to fetch game.
His eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
This dog is so confused.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's me.
His bowl had him eat slowly.
How do I relax? Well, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.
I think this dog is guilty.
Quem mandou comer isso aqui? Hein? Aqui, ó, comeu o chão de tua mãe. Olha pra cá. Olha pra mim. Olha pra mim. Olha pra mim.
What is in your mouth?
This dog finds something unusual. Guess what?
What the?
Good morning, Maggie. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Time to swim.
I think.
Yoo-hoo! Want a treat? Oh!
They want.
This guy had been separated to his dog for 2 weeks. This husky is waking up his big brother. She's pretending like a dog and watch how dog reactions.
Ready? Ready?
Isn't that so sad?
Pluto.
That's the end of our video today. If you have a pet, let me know in the comments, hit like, and subscribe. This is Choi Pots TV, and see you at the next one.